Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I am going to Contour Body Lounge to do a lymphatic massage and body contouring for my stomach. A couple of years ago, I think in 2012 or 2013, I did surgery. I did lipo on my stomach, and I also did breast implants. So back then, I didn't really know about doing massages and the lymphatic massage. So I feel like after a while, I got like little bumps, or like it was kind of just weird in my stomach. So you know, I've been seeing a lot of this lymphatic massage and the drainage and all of that, things that I should have did back then, but I didn't. My stomach doesn't look horrible, but of course, you know, obviously it's not flat anymore. Today I'm going to see if doing the body contouring or the lymphatic massage will help. I'm not sure if she's doing wood therapy, but when I get there, I'll see if I could go ahead and record. And hopefully doing these 3 sessions, I did buy a package on her website for the holidays. So hopefully doing these 3 sessions will at least assist and, you know, help my stomach look a little bit better. So stay tuned, you guys.
Actually a massage cream to start warming up the area and then start treating you for body contour. We're going to be working on the waist area. I'm also going to try and accentuate the abdominal edging lines, which I love to do, and let's see what happens from here. Metal therapy.
And the metal therapy helps with what?
Well, it helps mold and sculpt. It also helps break down lots of tissue. If you have a lot of tissue within, from let's say a previous liposuction, let's say your tissue is healing a little bit on the rougher side when you're out of post-op, going in, let's say 3-4 weeks, and you start seeing areas, you can work on it depending on your technician differently to help mold and sculpt. Another one. It definitely helps accentuate abdominal edging.
You could tell them what you're about to do next.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing the ultrasonic cavitation. Ultrasonic waves liquefies the fat. So if you have fat, you're trying to obtain or have an objective of losing inches, losing weight, losing abdominal fat in particular areas. Ultrasonic cavitation works. You have to drink lots of water and come in for treatment. Normally, I have the girls coming in twice a week. It helps you if you have particular goals. I'm going on vacation, I have a wedding. We target the localized area more consistently in order to get the results that you want.
It's like a...
Do you feel like muscle contraction?
Yeah. That's so weird. It's like it somewhat pinches, but then...
It's a combination of like the radio frequency with tightening with muscle contraction. So it's contracting the muscle while helping to tighten the skin. So it feels like you have pinching sensation, right?
Yeah. Alright, you guys, so she's using a different piece of wood here to do the wood therapy. You guys might be looking at this like, does this hurt? Because it looks like she's going in. And to answer that question, certain things did hurt. Definitely the endermo therapy, that crap hurts. You know, pain is beauty, and this is what us females have to go through to get the look that we want. So you can see that she's using the metal therapy and back to the wood therapy to get my back area here. Now, definitely, I did have surgery before, so this kind of assisted with the fibrosis that I do have, where after having these sessions, I really didn't see it as much, so it definitely helped me. Alright, you guys, so I just came back from Contour Body Lounge, and you guys, it was such an amazing experience, and she's so sweet. I definitely had a good experience, and I definitely saw a difference. Now, one thing that she did say for me to do is to continue wearing my waist trainer. That's something that I kind of struggle with. There is a thought of me doing lipo again, just because I didn't do the lymphatic drainage and all of that I was supposed to do when I initially did the lipo the first time. So it's kind of like a redo and really get everything out and really do it the correct way so that I could have the fantastic results that I'm supposed to have. So this is something that's really temporary, and I'm trying to get snatched for my trip. But for a long-term effect, it would be to ultimately do surgery again and to do it the right way, and then also wearing my waist trainer. The waist trainer is really going to help sculpt the stomach, along with diet and exercise. So, you know, all things could come back as far as the fat and all of that stuff, but you really have to take care of your body. You really have to change your diet, and, you know, using a faja or waist trainer is the best way to kind of mold your stomach and the abdominal area. But you guys, I definitely would recommend her if you guys are in the Pines area, Miramar area. Definitely check her out if you're about to do surgery and you need somewhere to really get your body sculpted. She is amazing, okay? And I'm not just saying that. I have no deals with her. I didn't get any discount besides the package that I bought.